Hi all, my name is Ashwini. I welcome you all today to my channel, and today I'm basically going to I'm going to give a few answers to a few questions. So a lot of people gave me a feedback that you're a new YouTuber. I won't say a YouTuber as such, but you are new to YouTube, so you should answer a few questions. The audience should know you. So that is what I'm going to do today. So let's just dive into the questions. I literally typed answers new YouTubers should give, and I didn't know that there were so many. There are literally pages where there are 254 questions, and I'm not going to go through them because I know you don't have that patience, neither do I. So I'm just literally going to click on the first website which says 20 questions YouTubers should answer. First is, what is the name of your channel? What is your name and what is the name of your channel? My name is Ashwini Sawan. My channel's name is Ashwini Sawan. What does the name of your channel mean? My name, it's my name, it's my channel's name. Where are you from? I'm originally from Mumbai, born and brought up there. I'm a Maharashtrian, right now I'm in Pune. Actually, I'm settled in Pune after I got married, but originally I'm from Mumbaichi Marathi Mulgi, if you may say. And why did you start your YouTube channel? I'm actually answering this in a lot detail in my first video, which I'll link right here. What is your channel all about? Again, it is there in that video. Who is your target audience? This is a very nice question. So my target audience, basically the reason why I started the YouTube channel is basically to document my own life. And there are a lot of changes as you go in your life. You know, you grow, you mature, you have a lot of responsibilities, and in that phase you are changing a lot, but you just are not aware of that, and sometimes you need help, and YouTube has helped me a lot go through those changes. And that's what my target audience are: people who want to succeed in life, people who want to have better health, gain more wealth. Okay, when I say wealth, be better in their finances, have a more prosperous life and more success, and are in the phase of going towards them. So through my channel, through my growth and to my experience, I'm trying to help people with whatever ideas or vision that I have, is basically to help people be more organized for that success, to attract that kind of a success, to be that person to attract that kind of success. What will your channel be about? Who is your target audience? I just explained. What do you hope to achieve with your channel? As I said, I hope to help people who are going through the similar journey as I have gone through or I'm going through, and be as much as of service possible. Top three favorite YouTube has to be hands down Minicon. Pickup lines. I really like the way she makes her videos. And top three. The third category is actually. I don't remember. I just think of these two as of now. They are just the biggest inspiration. Who inspired you to start a channel? I just answered that. But actually, I would say that looking at their videos, I thought that I should also have a YouTube channel and do all these things. But I didn't know what cool things that I knew that I could talk about on YouTube, right? What particular niche that I had. Like niche, everybody talks about that. But then I saw this Instagram clip, actually not even a video, of Gary Vee, where he talks about you don't have to create things, you have to document that, right? Each person's individual life is different, and there might be certain challenges that you are facing from which I can learn, and which I am facing from which you can learn, and that's the reason you need to document your life. So that kind of hit me, and after that I've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel for almost 2-3 years now. But when I saw that Instagram like hardly 30 seconds or 45 seconds clip, I thought, yeah, why not? I can document my own life. That is basically what I wanted to do all this while, and there is nothing wrong with that. So that's when I took the plunge. I started my channel. And who inspired you? If you collab with anyone right now, who would it be? I would like to collab with a lot of people, to be really honest, but they should also be willing to collab with me someday. So I'll just leave that answer. Because it's not just one person, it's a lot of people. 3 reasons anyone should subscribe to your channel. Yes, not 3, I have many, but for the sake of this video to not be very long, 3 reasons I would say. The first one being, as I said, in my journey towards my success, I am learning a lot of things about organizing, about productivity, about mental well-being, about physical well-being, and all these things are literally about books, about a lot of different things, and all these things are actually changing me a lot. So these are the things that I wish to share with the world. And I believe there is a lot of power in today's youth, but it is all getting wasted due to so many distractions. May it be social media. In fact, social media is a good thing, but if you are not using it, it can be like that double-edged sword. And we have a lot of potential in ourselves, but we are not using it to the fullest just because we are in such a chaotic world. And to be present in your own life is a big challenge in these days, and that is what I try to help people through my channel, to be more present in their life, to find out exactly what is happening in there and what will help them to go to the next level of success, or even next level of whatever they are doing. How can I help them is what will be my vision towards this channel. Then, what is your favorite thing about YouTube community? Oh my god, there are so many favorite things. As I said, YouTube has played a very huge impact on my life, because there was a point in time when I used to be super bored and not inspired, not motivated, but watching YouTube videos. I earlier thought I was just wasting my time on YouTube, but then I came to know that there are good things also that are there in this community, from which I can learn, I can adapt those things, and uh, I can, maybe I can also contribute to that goodness. Ideas, okay, maybe this I can also implement in my routine. Or if I look at someone's evening routine where they are actually having a little bit of energy for that, they are doing something in their entire day. What is that they are doing? I can also implement that. So, just giving you an example. So, this is a community I really appreciate people doing and putting so much efforts. And now that I'm creating my own videos, I know how much effort it takes to do this, and people are doing that. It just is very, I just have a lot of respect for that work. Okay, what do you think could bring the YouTube community that isn't already there? Honestly, I'm not thought about it. Really, I don't know what it can bring. I'm just here to help and also document my own journey. Three things we should know about you. Very interesting. Three things is I speak more sarcasm than normal language. Probably I shouldn't have started with that one. But yeah, I whenever I'm around people, I'm the one who's always a little more chatty, and I like to keep things little lighter. Like, ज़्यादा load नहीं लेना है. That's my funda in life. You should. Oh my God, there's a bird with that twig in my window, and it is so pretty. Oh shit, it just flew. I'm so sorry. Okay, I guess you get the. I think you get the second point. I have a very less attention span of. I just have an attention span of a 2-year-old. Anyways, but that was just a side joke. The first thing is, yes, I like to keep things light. I don't like to take a lot of tension, but sometimes it so happens things get onto your nerves, and it happens. But generally, I'm like chill. Load नहीं लेना है ज़्यादा. And the second thing, if you would want to know, I'm very passionate about my health and health journey, because I have shared in this video how horrible I had to go through a lot of things in order to get into a proper health, not a proper body. I would never say anything about this body, because I'm very grateful for it. So health is a most important thing. And the last thing is, I always want to constantly grow, and I want to learn about this world. Okay, I'm not putting this correctly. Third thing is, for me, my parents were used to stay in the rural areas. They came to Mumbai. My father worked a lot. He earned a lot of money, not a lot of money, but enough for us to sustain. I mean, he did well. He did touch wood. He did really well in his life, and he's brought me to point B. From point B, I need to go to point C. I need to bring happiness to my family, because that's the most important thing. And with happiness, I just don't mean like with lot of money and luxury and all those things. I just want to see my family grow, prosper, and that should start with me, is what I believe in. Third thing is, I am extremely I just navigate to the shortest path possible for reaching anywhere, and that's also a problem that is there in my life. I know it's a problem, and it's okay. I don't mind sharing it on YouTube, because I'm working towards it. I know that if it is taking longer, I need to develop the patience to do there and to go there and get things done. So those are the three things: health, family, and prosperity. And third one is my drawback, as I said. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. I'm always like this, so I need to calm down a little bit. Then, three things. What do you think the hardest thing will be about becoming a YouTuber? Shutting off my mind for YouTube. It's just a lot of sweating happening here because the fan is off, because if I put it on it will just make a lot of noise. I think you get it. Anyways, what do you think was most hardest thing? Is, as I said, shutting off my mind, because whenever I have a new idea my mind just keeps running, and with YouTube I have like this whole ocean out there where I can just create anything and everything that I want. And I mean, losing words, maybe because it is more than 10 minutes that I'm talking and attention span is not working. Anyways, so as I said, it is very hard to shut off. Like since the time I've started creating videos, it always keeps running. Oh, I can make a video about this. Oh, I need to talk about this. Oh, I can shoot here. Oh, I can put this angle. Oh, I need to get that equipment. So it's constantly running in my mind. By the way, I'm still working full time, so what I can do, what I can speak. So I think that will be the hardest part, keeping my mind shut off. Like this is not YouTube time. And so that's, I think, will be a hardest part. What do you think is the most rewarding thing will be? Okay, the most rewarding thing is for me to know that I am with a community of people who are going through the same thing. As I said, when I was going through a lot of changes in my life, I thought I was the only one. Oh, why is this happening to me? Oh, why I've grown up? Why do I have so much responsibility? Why do I have to do so much work? Why do I have to save money? And it was just also equally struggling where I am. That was actually most rewarding when I saw on YouTube people were actually honest and saying, yes, I am lazy, yes, I am not productive, and this is what I did to do be more productive. So being able to do that for other people is going to be the most rewarding part. They are learning and they are growing, it is very nice, but I need to make sure that I have delivered my 100%. So that once I do that, it's, I guess, the most rewarding part. Do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time? Sure, why not? I mean, you should always, people say you should never say never, but I say you should never say forever as well, right? You never know what things might bring you and what you will be doing in the future. So I will never say no and I will never say yes, because I don't know what the future holds and I'm ready for whatever comes. But yeah, as of now, I love YouTube, so I'm not going anywhere soon. And do you have any tips or advice for others who are just starting a YouTube channel? I just started one. What tips I'll give? Yeah, one I can give. Just start. Really, that is the best tip. I would like to give. Just start, because yeah, if you feel like doing it, just do it. Right? It's just one life we are having, and what difference does it make if you do it or you don't do it? You just go ahead. You start. And see how if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, you shut down your channel in 2 months. That's also fine, because you wanted to do that, you did it. It's just one thing which you will not have regret 10 years later. Oh, I might have started a YouTube channel and I might have loved it. I'm losing words now. Anyways, so you understand, right? I just feel, as I said, just chill maro, be geet about life, take one day at a time, do whatever you feel like doing. If it works out, fine. If it doesn't, that is also fine, but make sure you're giving your 100%. Okay, so I think those were all the questions that there are a few of them, but I think this is enough for this, because this is then going to be a really long video, which I don't want. Check out my other 2 videos right here, and I will, if you have more questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them as much as possible, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.